All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Apecoin. Yeah, Apecoin is jumping off the charts. It's up gigantic. It's trending. Everybody's talking about it. We're going to go to their website. We're going to go to their Twitter account. We're going to do a little price prediction. Check out what's going on with Apecoin. Also, we're going to do a little thing about the gas prices in the U.S. What's going on with the gas prices? Have they got back to normal? Are people happy with it? Or are people still sad about the gas prices? All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Apecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Apecoin is at number 39 now. Pretty impressed by that because it was literally like 47, then it was at 42, and now it's already in the top 39. It's up 111% in the last 7 days. Now, this was at 900% and 1,200%, but in the last 24 hours, it's up about 7%. This coin is not trading at $10 right now. It's trading at $13.35. Clicking it, up about 7.6%. This coin is traded at $13.35. Holy cow, Apecoin is going crazy. So here in the last 24 hours, you get a little bit of an idea of what's going on with it. It's doing good. But what's the hype about the Apecoin? It says right here, Apecoin on their Twitter account. Apecoin is the ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower and decentralize community building at the forefront of Web3. All right. This voting for Apecoin DAO is officially open. Go to, and it's got a little spot to view and vote on the first proposal for how the DAO should be governed. Check that out, which is fantastic. Right over here, we got a nice picture of these Apecoins. Take a look at this. It says, Snoop Dogg, smoke aborted 8th. Doping a special project, Apecoin only. So you got Snoop Dogg on here 11 hours ago. He's got a special project coming up. All right, over to the website here. So take a look at this coin flopping around. I mean, it's pretty nice looking, nice and candy for the eyes. People like it. The skull monkey, people are kind of really liking this coin. This is a coin that's trending. Everybody's into it. All right, about the Apecoin. Apecoin is for the Web3 economy. A culture has found a new impression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. The possibilities for blockchain impact on cultures are so endless that they can't possibly all be predicted yet. That's a good point. Ape is a token made to support what is next, control and built on by the community. It will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive cultures forward into the metaverse. And you kind of heard that they're trying to maybe make their own metaverse, so this could be big, super big for that. This is the DAO, the Apecoin. DAO exists because decentralized governance is critical to building and managing a global community and therefore critical to success of the Ape ecosystem. The Ape Improvement Proposal process, the governance will allow Ape DAO members to make decisions regardless the ecosystem funds, governance rules, projects, partnerships, and beyond. Apecoin DAO membership is open to all Ape holders. Talks about the board here, and of course you got the NFTs. Instead of having pictures of people, we're going to have the NFTs because that's kind of appropriate. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Apecoin is trending. I mean, it was number one the other day. It was up 1,200% in 7 days. It was up 900% in 7 days. Now it's kind of adjusted. It's only up 114% in 7 days. That's still fantastic. The board, Yacht Apes, this is kind of a break off of that. It's like the same and not the same. The Apecoin you can use for buying merchandise. So merchandise is a pretty big thing with the Apecoin. So give us your thoughts. What are you thinking about it? All right, how about this? Gas prices in the U.S. are still super high. Are you doing anything to target against it? Are you getting side hustles? Are you doing crypto projects? Are you buying coins and hoping they shoot to the moon? What are you doing? Well, the thing is gas is still high, so let's take a look across the country. All right, over here at the AAA gas prices, the average price across the country has went up $4.23. Anything you hover over, like down here in Florida, $4.12. Up in Maine, $4.18. California was the highest before. California is almost kissing $6, $5.88. Now, if you go down here, it kind of tells you the current average, yesterday's average. A month ago's average, it was $3.55. All right, so a year ago, the average gas prices was $2.87. A month ago is $3.55, and right now it's $4.23. So again, according to a year ago, we're up over $1 just from a year ago. Now you got your regular right here, you got your mid gas right here, you got your premium, you got your diesel. Now diesel, currently is over $5 an average, but a year ago it was at $3.10. So it looks like it's $2 more for the diesel prices across the country. If you wanted to check Nevada, you would click view your stats, and then it would actually check Nevada. So using this as an example, it actually breaks it down to the counties and stuff like that. So gas prices are still at an all-time high. What are we supposed to do? I like crypto projects, TaskRabbit, I like side hustles, but here's some ideas. Okay, this is an easy one. You go to your job, find one friend that lives in the same area as you, and you guys need a carpool. If you have one friend, you would drive 2 weeks to work, your friend would drive 2 weeks to work, you would actually only be driving 50%. With gas being so expensive, that's going to be a lot of money savings. The people you work with, you already see them anyway, so it's just you're going to see them for a little extra drive, but you're saving a boatload of money. The best strategy is to have a total of 4 people in your car, you, Sally, Bob, and Henry. Now you're only driving 25% of the month. Everybody's rotating, taking one turn. It's a great way. All 4 people in the car would be saving 75% of their gas, and everybody's kind of picking everybody up. So you got to use different things. TaskRabbit, I was talking the other day, college person was making $130 a day installing mirrors, installing different TV sets and stuff. Got out of college, decided to do the TaskRabbit full time. Making $10,000 to $13,000 a month. So as the economy is getting, the gas is getting more expensive, the food is getting more expensive. A lot of people have a job that pays them exactly the same amount of money. So there is no extra money for that gas. There is no extra money for that extra food. So you have to have side hustles, crypto projects. All right, I wish everybody luck. Do your own homework. We're just friends here. Let's head back over to Apecoin. All right, wanted to kind of show you this. Apecoin is based off of the board yacht Ape. So here's what we got going on. All right, we're going to play this board Ape. Yeah, so the board Ape, you got the Apecoin here. It says crypto is often touted as a great equalizer, buying things, but the launch of Bored Ape Yacht linked cryptocurrency to the Apecoin last week showed something different. The biggest winners were the major companies and people who are already heavily invested in the crypto space. Why is that? The Bored Ape Yacht Club is a collection of 10,000 NFTs or non-fungible tokens created by Yuga Labs to feature apes with variety characteristics like different fur colors, accessories, background colors. Last week, a decentralized organization called Apecoin DAO released Apecoin Crypto token featuring the Bored Ape Yacht Club logo. People can now buy the Apecoin on crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Apecoin, which was retrading at 24% up, it's actually higher than that, everybody. It reached a high of $17 the other day. Wow, it's at $13 right now, which gave some investors a window to a neat TD profit, depending on their timing. The catch, those who already owned Bored Ape benefited the most. Each Bored Ape owner was given 10,000 free tokens worth about $111,000 on Tuesday. Wow, got $111,000 of free tokens. Each mutual ape owner was given 2,042 tokens worth around $21,000, according to the Apecoin website. And although the entire collection contains 10,000 NFTs, about 62 wallets own them. According to the data, 532 wallets own more than 2 Bored Apes, and at least 5 wallets own more than 50 Bored Apes. Wow. So of the 1 billion tokens created that week, some of which are locked to be released later, existing Bored Apes and mutual ape holders received, look at that, 15%, for a total of 150 million tokens worth of accumulated 1.8 billion as of Tuesday. So again, here's what it says. The wealthy owners cashing in on Apecoin are perfect examples of why Web3 financiers are bashing NFTs. All right, give us your thoughts in the bottom. So if you had some bored yacht apes or you had a mutant ape, you're getting free Apecoin. Holy cow. I mean, so they had this, now they get this, and then the coin's up 112%, or the coin's up 1200%. Holy cow, everybody. I understand why the bored ape people are so excited about this Apecoin. Okay, let's head back. Oh, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Let's head over to Apecoin. Again, that's what this old hype is right here, is the Apecoin. So everything is about this Apecoin. It's trending. It's been #1. It's already in the top 100. Bored Yacht members are loving it. Let's hear it for Apecoin. All right, what's our price prediction? Well, they said that this token went as high as $17. Just 2 days ago it was $10. I think the coin can go back up to its high of $17. All our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. We're all just friends here. You want to make sure you research your own stuff. But I don't think Apecoin is slowing down anytime soon. What are your thoughts? All right, so different node projects or ways to make passive income. Drip networks, Splasive is a way to make passive income with your money. Piston token is having a launch on the 28th. We're going to be talking about that. I'll link something in the bottom. All right, so gas prices at an all-time high. You need to figure out something to combat it. Apecoin going off the charts. If you have bored Yacht Apes NFTs, you're loving it because you got all this Apecoin tokens for free. Holy cow, everybody. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. All our information is for educational purposes only. We're just friends here. Don't forget to click right here so you can learn about Drip Network, 365%, 1% back a day. All right, everybody. Let's go ape today and have a great day.